Hello, everyone. Um, based on the title, as most of you can see it, I basically want to talk about how I made 200 plus euros, up to 400. But I'm trying to, it's 2025, I'm trying to respect risk management and also also not over trade because I struggled with that last year. So I'm trying to cut it down and not do too much because less is more. So it's just basically looking for the right setup and buying or selling depending on the buyers of the market. So let's jump into the chart and I'll show you how I was able to make $200. Remember, it's a prop account, a $5,000 prop account. I'm currently in drawdown. I've been in drawdown since December because I was in a comfortable situation, so I made some unnecessary trades. So I'll show you how the trade play out. So basically, as you can see, this is the, as you can see, this is the chart. They are mostly show US and gold. So if you can see, I was watching the market here. Then I drew my support and I drew my trend line using this trend line tool. Trend line obviously tool. So I waited for price to break here in the 15 minutes. Remember, I used 15 minutes to trade. 15 minutes is what I use to enter my confirmation. So let's do this in Vero, okay? So I use the 15 minutes to trade. So waiting for price to break. Come, let me correct this thing. I did from here. I drew it from here, yeah, exactly from here. That's where I drew it because I knew price. Basically, if you look on the daily, you see that EURUSD has been bearish for a couple of for months now. So if you look at price on daily, you can see that EURUSD is dropping, and based on the news that Russian gas has been cut off from the eurozone, so obviously to cause a lot of bearish indices in the economy. So I waited for price to break here. So when I noticed that price had broken on those first red candlestick, first bearish candlestick, I entered from here. My stop loss was quite high. I know how you can be. You tend to sometimes it jumps to your stop loss and comes back down. It does a lot of fake out. So I entered from here, my first trade. Then I waited for price again. I entered from here. I put that around here, 1 to 2. So I waited for price to retest again because I know price was going to. When price broke here and it came and retest around here, so I entered again with two mini lots, two mini lots. So I entered when price came and retest. I entered from here again. So basically, I pulled out from almost the same place for two of them. I didn't allow the trade run because you I've been in profit for a while now. Like sometimes I'll be in profit and I'll allow the whole profit trade to just go back when it breaks my trend line. But right now, 2025, I'm trying to be a bit conservative. I'm not trying to to be excessively greedy because basically, if you can get good setup, you can always re-enter. Because and this week again is NFP, NF non-farm payroll, and it's coming on Friday. So I just have to be careful. And this was in the night around, you can see I pulled out around 9:11 ish because when it was starting to consolidate, I didn't want to just stay, so I allowed it and I pulled out. Close the trade at $200. You can see it here, so it's not lie. I'm a good funded trader. I'll show you. Let it load. I'm a good funded trader. Not yet funded though, still in phase one since August. You can imagine that. So I'll show you my close position. You can see the trade $212, 190. $93. Echo lot, two of them. Mini lot, sorry. Two of them. So 212. You can see it from here. You can see it from here. 212. I don't know why, sorry. Mm-hmm. You can see it from here. $212. That's what I made. You can see the stop loss. This is not the stop loss, my lot size. I proper risk management because obviously I do not want to blow my. It's a 5K account. You can see I'm currently in drawdown. I'm in drawdown of over. I was in 4-6. Now I'm taking it back to. I want to take back to 5K. So I just have to be careful. Let's go back to. Let's go back to the chat. So basically that was how I made 200 euros. 200 euros. That was good. $200. Sorry. $200. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Anna White James. Please like, share. I would so like for you to like, share, and subscribe. I see you guys in my next. I see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.